things. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play.
Hello friends, so I was looking for a selfie stick online, and I came across few of the selfie sticks, but there was no any proper review on this specific selfie sticks which I was finding out. So I thought maybe I'll review it and you guys can watch it online, because I didn't want anyone else to face the same situation. So I bought this Amazon basic selfie stick for around 780 rupees. The model number is Amazon Basics extendable Bluetooth enabled selfie stick, 3 light tones and 6 color modes. So there are some 3 modes in it, 3 variant in it, and this is the model number, manufacturing date, and the actual MRP. I'm not sure whether this is the correct one. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks. So yeah, let's get with the unboxing. So in this box we get the selfie stick, a USB cable, and user manual. So this is how the instruction looks. So yeah, this is how it is. So I'll give you the overview of how it is. So this is my first time having the selfie stick, so I'm trying to figure it out how it works. This is the phone stand, maybe. Yeah, it's extendable, so we can add our phone in it. And this is the light, I guess. Okay, so it has some modes, I guess. 3 modes, and this is an extra flashlight thing. I'm not sure about 6 color tone, but I had another model around for 500 rupees. I don't know what the difference between this and that model, maybe the build quality, but they said that 6 color tones. I'm not sure what this is, but this is this, I know this is the remote, but I don't know what that 6 color mode is. Maybe I have to go through the manual a little bit more. So yeah, I think this is detachable, I guess. If I try to pull it, it comes out. And just use the selfie stick. I think it should be extendable. So I'll give you a full height in now. So guys, I have opened the selfie stick, like extended it. This is the max height which you can reach. I measured it with the inch tape and it was 27 inches. This is almost 2.5 inch. And if you add the phone's height like a little bit, around 32 inches, it should be around 2.7 or something. I thought it would be more little bit tall, but for my preference I think it doesn't work, and the leg stand is also very small, like this much. I don't know about stability here. So if you are keeping the phone straight, I think it should be stable, but once if you try to like it turns 360 degrees, but when you like if you want to capture something from top to bottom like this, the phone is not stable. Obviously the weight is in this side, so it tends to fall. Like if I leave it, it's falling down. So if you're trying to buy it for like some, if you actually, my thought was like I would use it to record videos like without anyone's help. Like I can keep the phone on the stand, like bend it a little bit, and on the below I can film any reviews and things. But obviously this is not going to work. They've given the remote, I think it should work. So it starts blinking, and the Bluetooth should appear, I guess. So that's called Selfie. Okay, it's bad, I guess. Yeah, it's bad. So if I try to take a photo, so yeah, it clicks immediately. The range should be around 10 meters. If a long press, okay, if a long press it gets turned off. So obviously you can. There's only one function here, just to click pictures. If I go to video mode, I click, the video gets started. If I click on it, it stops. So yeah, it's just you can use a selfie stick, but the height is not much for my preference. It's like around 2.5 feet or to 2.7 if you include the phone's height. I'm not sure it will be helpful for anyone, but yeah, obviously you can use it as selfie stick, but as not a tripod. Yeah. Obviously you have to check for the height. In the website it was not properly mentioned, so I thought I create this video and it will be helpful for you guys for the reference. So yeah, as a selfie stick it would work, but not as a tripod. Yeah, because I don't know what will shoot with this height. If it was a little bit taller, you can, like around 5.5 feet, it would be useful for shooting outdoors. But again, it's not sure about the stability. As you can see, the stand is not that much stable. So yeah guys, this is the review for the Amazon Basics 6 color modes. So yeah guys, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get